guys, this is the one, the only expert dating coach Annabella Rose here from karmalifestyles.com. Now today I will be talking about how to get her crazy in bed. Now, if I'm honest, every woman has a sexual fantasy, especially when she is with a good man. We know that sex plays a big role in relationships and our happiness, and we are most happy when we have wild, kinky sex with those that we love. Those hidden wants and those hidden desires that most of us don't accept that we have. If you want to make her wild, make her fantasies a reality. And this is how. Number one, don't be an 8-second man. Well, we know that most of you have missed the V for a very long time, and you might be a little bit eager when going in for the first time with her and come too soon. But if we're honest, 8 seconds men are very selfish. You're mostly concerned about your own satisfaction, and then you leave ours out. So if you want her wet and wild and you want to last longer, then you've got to put the time in. You've got to make sure that she comes. When you last a little bit longer, it gives us room to play around, maybe positions, different toys, who knows? We could go absolutely kinky and crazy, and all we need is just a little bit of time. Number two, just because the sex is over doesn't mean she is. Now, you are very well aware that sex is very emotional for women. Thus, even though the act is over, doesn't mean that you're done. We still want some connection. Don't just turn over and fall asleep or leave. Make sure you cuddle her, caress her a little bit. Show her that you had a wonderful time and enjoy her company. Show her that you are not only there to get your own physical needs, but the emotional ones too. After you have done this repeated times, she will always look forward to sex with you because it's never really over. Number three, play sexual games with her. Nothing drives a woman wet, wild and crazy like games during sex and before. Make sure that you understand your girl and you know what she likes and doesn't like. The idea here is to anticipate the kinky sex she visualizes and desires. You can try games like hide the honey. Now this is where you're blindfolded and she hides a little dab of honey somewhere on her body, and you have to try and find it, but only using your tongue. Another game you can try is play the alphabet game. Now this is where you make capital letters with your tongue very slowly on her clitoris and make her guess the letter. Hey, just a bit of fun, and she's getting into the right place as well. But she will be at her wit's end with pleasure if she's not even paying attention. These are just a few. You can make an effort to look for more and come up with your own. Now you just get her involved, and on the spur of the moment, she will love these games. Number four, make her wet. Foreplay is really important to us, but the trick here is to involve all of our erogenous zones, all 16 of them. You can refer to these zones as weak points, since once you find them, we will melt like butter in your arms. You can make a woman wet and ready for the main course with just some tricks up your sleeve. Get a chance to know our zones and you will get us wild and ready for you in the bedroom or wherever. You taking your time will have her at the tips of your fingers. She will be yours to do with as you please. This has nothing to do with foreplay or 8 seconds, but the control you have to have with her, begging for more. Make her excited for you. Take off her clothes slowly, more especially the undergarments. 5, be spontaneous. Don't be those people who want to do it in one position and in one place every time. Spice things up on our behalf. Do it in public washrooms like we see in the movies or in the kitchen counter. Become unpredictable in the bedroom, and every time someone mentions your name, we just get the picture. We will be absolutely wild for you. Number 6, the power of the tongue. The tongue is a powerful part of sex. It can make or break a relationship. The tongue has just one function: to communicate both verbally and non-verbally. Most of the time, you men focus on the non-verbal, and hey, most of you are quite good at it and make us crave for more. But verbal communication is essential. Talk dirty to us. Tell us what you want to do and what you want us to imagine you doing to us. And tell us what's yet to come. Tell us you love us and see how our cookie jar opens without hesitation. Talk to us even after sex and let us into your soul. That's where you really lock into our emotions. Tell us how much we mean to you and how much we drive you wild, and watch us become that wild girl that wants just you. Gents, that's all from me today. Please check out my ebook, How to Get a Girl Crazy in Bed, by clicking on the link below or clicking on the card above. This ebook is all about making her crazy in bed and giving her the best orgasms. Don't worry, all the techniques and strategies are easy to apply and understand, and I'm sure you will fill her night with passion and drive her wild with the best time ever, all by reading my ebook. Gents, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you have any queries at all, please drop me an email to annabella@karmalifestyles.com. I've been Annabella Rose, and I will see you next time.